Hello everyone, Sam here from creativetrading.com, making this video about USD, US dollar index, and trades taken based on that index chart, right? So let's get started. US dollar index weekly chart. This is, I made this one on 3rd March, this month, March 3rd. And I said that this is what the picture is. 1390 was in question here. If it stays below 1390, this might happen. All right, so these are some small diagrams, like have it, harmonic pattern, Elliott wave, blah blah blah, different studies, different charts, right? So what this telling us that if we have a move like from X A and then I mean this is yeah, or B, right? So this is what it is, X A and then B, right? Then we come down here to C, point C, we'll come down here, and then after that, either we're going to drop all the way or go up. And since this is 61%, then it will go up to 78, then makes a harmonic pattern girdle, and then it will drop, right? Or it will just simply drop as an Elliott wave count 1, 2, 3, and it will be like 100% or 127 or 161. Time will tell how far it goes. Or maybe it will bounce from here and go up and then up, 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 right? It's a lot of options. But first thing first, at this chart, we must stay below 1390 and drop. And then I made this version on the chart like this. On the 5th, it was still there below 1390. So I said, okay, this is looking good. And it's going to drop here to this area and then either continue going down here to 127 extension, or it will go up to 78%, make the like harmonic pattern good, and then drop, right? So this thing started to drop. And now I made another chart. Obviously, this is a weekly chart. Then we need a smaller chart, time frame chart as well, right? Like a 4-hour chart. But instead of like a regular 4-hour chart, a regular candlestick, I use a Renko chart, which are usually very clean. Same size of each candle, no big wicks or noise or all of that. So I made another chart. Let's say I'll show you here. This is the chart that using the Renko I had this fib from here to here, and this is the fib. See this, some 61%, and then it went up to 23%. So I said, well, if it's continuing dropping, then we can drop. And my weekly chart is calling for a drop at 1390s, right? They're stopping it, right? So it's supposed to come down here to make a bullish girdle pattern at 78%. Now, in the meantime, if you look at this drop here, then it went up first 61%, then drop, then it went up to 78% clean, and it is a bearish girdle. So this bigger bullish girdle, within that, we made a bearish girdle, and that was playing out. And it was exactly according to my weekly chart saying that we must stay below 1390 in order to go into this area, right? So this is where we're supposed to end up a bullish girdle. Once it was like a point C, and then we're supposed to go down here, point D, and this was the target. I says target equal weekly low 1152. Now, when this thing is happening, this thing is going down, USD gets weaker, and then this would happen. EUR-USD, pound USD, Aussie USD, and New USD, they're supposed to go up, and USD franc, USD CAD, and USD yen supposed to be going down because USD is on the left-hand side. So that was the idea, right? Bearish girdle was finished and started to play out. Bullish girdle was underway cooking, and it will be ended here and completed here. In the meantime, this what happened. So I supposed to be taking EUR-USD, pound USD, Aussie, and New USD long, and then these three short. Now, from these 7 USD pairs, I do not even look at New USD or USD franc. Now, very few times I pay attention to Aussie USD because the daily range is very, very small, right? So what happened? Then Euro USD, Pound USD, and USD Yen gave me nice entries, and USD CAD never gave me any entry. So what happens is this chart was coming down, and what happened to this chart is this. You see that target? Boom. Came down straight in 2 days. That chart was on the 5th, and then 6th and 7th, straight down here. Hit the target, right? So doing so, obviously, that when I said that I supposed to be, we supposed to be getting Euro USD, Pound USD long, and UJ and UC short. So did I do anything? That's the question. If not, then all these mumbo jumbo is useless, right? So the trade that I've taken because of this small chart here, right, and then it completed here, are these. This is Euro USD from the 7-minute, beautiful entry here. This was the entry as well. And this one or this one, and then it went up and then came and hit my SL at break even. Then my EA took the second entry. You can see this arrow here, right? So EA robot, that's the one that takes the entry for me when the setup is ready. All the setup conditions are in there and it's automatic. So it's open the trade and place the SL right behind it, which is most of the time is like 18 to 20 pip, on the 7-minute chart. And if I go, if the trade goes bad against me, then I lose, 15, 18 pip. That's it. So Euro USD long, supposed to get it. I got it for 60 pip. Pound USD long from here, it came down and again going up 75 pip on the 6th. And then USD yen from the 20-minute chart. This was the entry, right? On the 5th, the same day when I made the chart, I had this entry, so I took it. Beautiful one, not me, but see the arrow here. That arrow tells you that it's the EA opening the trade, right? So you open the trade here, beautiful. All the conditions were there. EMAs were all aligned, blue candles inside, red candle. As soon as a couple of red candles, it opened the trade. This indicates all the way to the upside, coming down, right? So this one, look at it, 170 pip. It is because that not only USD was getting weaker, but yen was getting very strong at the same time. By the way, I made the yen index chart and showed all 4 or 5 yen trades also taken in these 2 days, right? So I'll make the separate video for yen pairs. Yen pairs, yen index was making a bad pattern, harmonic pattern, beautiful, exact by the book pattern, and it hit right on the target. So I'll show you that. It's beautiful. And then this one, you can see that USD yen all the way for 170 pip. And then another trade was from my son Omar's computer. He took this one, is his robot, right? EA sell entry here, beautiful entry here, and this is for 70 pip, right? So 4 trades. This is 70, this is 170, so 240, 240 and 120, 35. So 135 and 240. You imagine? Not, yeah. So 240 and then 75. So 340 means 15. 315 and then 60. 375 in total. Because of this stupid chart right here, this one. But the thing is, look, these patterns, right? Harmonic patterns, they're basically they're Elliott wave, right? But it's very easy to pinpoint them because of this Fibonacci calculation, right? So that's why I have them. I talk about them. But I'm making the course for Elliott wave as well, right? Don't get me wrong. I mean, this is the chart that I have opened here, and then I'm making the chart, different videos for the course. But right now, since I made this course already for harmonic pattern, so I'm doing this, mumbo jumbo, so clear, so beautiful, so helpful. So that's what it is. I just wanted to share with you guys. And if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, or you want to get the system, or you want to learn all this mumbo jumbo, I have harmonic pattern course already on the website. Or if you want to learn from me on one-on-one, then you can just simply go on my website here, right? One-on-one coaching is right there. By the way, all of these charts, it's not only that I'm posting, see USD weekly chart, I posted on the Telegram for my subscriber on the 5th, right? Then when the setup were building, I said EU and GU both making longs and UJ making a short. So I posted there, right? I do not tell people, on the Telegram that buy now or sell now, because that brings the liability. A lot of people make mistakes, and then it backfires. They says, you said to buy, and then you said to sell. That's what I did, and I lost this and that, if taking the trade, without the setup or not using the SL, that should not be my problem, right? So I'm showing my trades exactly according. I take with the setup, no trades whatsoever I take without the setup. If I don't even take it, simple as that. You see that my EA robot is opening the trade, and it will not open the trade unless it has all the conditions exactly on the chart, right? So once the conditions are met, that thing opens the trade, plays the SL, all of that. So that's why. But saying that, making this like UJ making a short, means that I am taking this short. So it's up to anybody, whoever seeing it, that you want to take it, take it. If you don't want to take it, that's your choice. But at least the responsibility doesn't come to me that I said so, right? That's the only reason. But that's mean that I'm taking these, right? So EUR-USD, pound USD long, I just showed you. USD, yen making a short, I just showed you. Plus, not only that, but see this USD 40-minute chart I just showed you? I posted that as well, right? And then this is, I said that all yen pairs are going to be going down, and they all did because of the yen index chart, which is right there. Yen index chart is supposed to be coming down to make a bad pattern. It did. And I had like 4 or 5 beautiful trades to the downside. 2 UJ, and then I have pound 4. And then I have pound yen and euro yen big trades to the downside. So I'm gonna make a separate video for yen, yen index and yen pairs. But this USD, you see how it is. Everything is planned before, and then trade your plan. Simple as that. If that's happening, but it's not even that's happening. Even if that doesn't happen, I made a video about the pound Aussie, right? So I went long, and I lost 15 pip because it dropped. When it dropped, I got in for the short side and got out with 100 pip. The video is there, you can watch. So it doesn't matter where it goes. If I have the setup, if I miss the setup, if I lose any, like 10, 15 pip, my SL is maximum 25 pip, never more than that. So maximum I'm going to lose in a trade is 25 pip, right? But usually when the trade goes in my direction a little bit, I move my SL also. So on pound Aussie, my SL was around 12, 15 pip when it hit. And I said, okay. And then on the other side, when it dropped all the way, I got 100 pip trade, right? Losing 12, 15 pip and then taking 100 pip, right? So that's how it is. And all of these, the USD pairs and yen pairs, every single thing went my way. Everything, 100%. Okay. So this is how it is. So like I said, if you want to learn all of that, one-on-one course is right there. I'll teach you exactly what it is. And the harmonic pattern course is already there. Where the heck it is? Oh, right here, right? Harmonic pattern is there. Elliott wave is under construction right now. Maybe in a couple of days, it will be completed. So you can have that. Very cheap. Just one trade will get you the cost of it. No problem whatsoever, right? So this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the trading week, which is one more day we have, right? Friday. And don't forget to sign up or subscribe to my YouTube channel so you can get these videos on time, so you can take advantage of it. It's a lot of other setups that I'm going to be posting on maybe tomorrow. I'll make the video and then post on that. Show those setups tomorrow. All right. So bye for now, and talk to you guys later.